Hey people, so we are in a chair car, and as you can see, that is the Vizag beach, and this is my first ever experience, and this is someone I just met here, and this is just so nice. Yeah, you can take a look at the sea. Wow, I mean, I think Vizag offers a very almost international experience, really, compared to all other beaches, be it Kerala, Pondicherry, Goa. This is so beautiful. Hello. So this is just wow. And this is for, yes, it's like on YouTube. It's been running. I have like some at least just 1,1500 subscribers.
Okay, but now
Yes, it's called Half Sindhi Little Mallu.
Okay.
So if you can subscribe, I'll be very grateful.